Okay, so today we just finished building the roof for the new addition here, and now we're doing phase 2, continuing the ridge along to this peak, which Randy's exposing right now, and we're just gonna negate the old roof to here, and we're just gonna build new on top of, well, not on top of it, but sister to it. And what we're doing right now is we are getting our post to carry this ridge beam here, and we're finding out exactly where we have to go. We're going to plumb bob down into the house, and where we poured that concrete pad, I'll show you in a minute, is where we're going to put the post saddle. So we're going to have a post going all the way up in the crawl space, all the way up to there to carry the ridge beam to here. So we have to expose this and then stick a plumb bob down to get our exact point for where we're going to drill out for the saddle that holds the post.